We use water for sweeping and
Okay.
time.
Okay. Enough.
Those were
Enough.
fine.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Next.
those were
Next,
enough.
Devanshi. Devanshi, second
Yes,
question.
ma'am. List all the natural sources of water. Ma'am, ponds, lakes, rivers, oceans, seas, streams. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Nancy, am I audible, Nancy?
Yes, ma'am.
Next question. Read the next question and give the answer. When does a drought occurs? Or what causes drought? Or how drought is caused? So question may come in any way. Okay. Nancy, answer. Fast, children. Be fast. Bolo, Nancy. Nancy, am I audible? Nancy.
Yes, ma'am.
Bolo.
The water present on the earth evaporate due to heating by the sun. The
Just wait.
water vapor.
Just wait, wait. When does a drought occurs? Drought कब होते हैं? Drought, सूखा. It is called सूखा. When does drought occurs? कब होता है? Just only few
If there
questions.
is no rain for a long period for many years, then there is scarcity of water in that region. This leads to drought.
This leads to drought. So what is it? That the soil becomes dry, the plants doesn't get water, and the animals and the human beings over there also they are devoid of water, and a condition occurs. That is the dry condition is known as drought. Okay. Next question. When does okay next name two processes which occurs continuously and add water vapor into the air. Very easy. Kanupriya. Those who have given answer they will not repeat. Okay. Yes, Kanupriya. Kanupriya, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Bolo.
Ma'am, can you
Fourth.
repeat the question?
You are having the question in the group. Fourth question. Name two process which occurs continuously and add water vapor into the air. सब कुछ ही बताया गया है इसमें. Nothing to left. Only the name. Yes. Yes, Kanupriya.
Ma'am, also in the labeling.
Okay. Don't give this all these informations. Okay. Yes. Harshit Kumar Shukla. Harshit Kumar Shukla. Am I audible, Harshit?
Ma'am, evaporation and condensation.
Evaporation and condensation both produces water vapor. Which
Ma'am,
amongst
may
these
I?
two? Yes, Shreyash.
Ma'am, water cycle.
Ma'am, evaporation and transpiration.
Yes, evaporation and transpiration. Shreyash is wrong. Evaporation is the process by which the water from the water bodies gets converted into its vapor state, and transpiration is the process, yes, through which from the plant's body the water get lost in form of water vapor. So those are the two processes. What are the two processes? Evaporation and transpiration.
Transpiration.
Clear? Is it clear? Shreyash, it is clear?
Yes, ma'am, clear.
तो गलत क्यों बोले?
Ma'am, I think water cycle, ma'am, because it's
No,
continuous.
it has been told that what are the two process के लिए बोले हैं. Water cycle तो many processes involved in water cycle. It is transpiration,
Yes, yes.
evaporation, condensation, precipitation, all are included. So not this. So that is the whole sum of all the total process. Okay, now how clouds are formed? Uh, how clouds are formed? Ayush Verma, how clouds are formed?
Yes, ma'am.
Put on your videos,
When the
children. Let me see you. Yes, Ayush. Bolo.
when the evaporate water reach the atmosphere because of the low temperature, it get condenses and form tiny droplet. These tiny droplets float in the air, forming cloud.
Okay. Yes, right. समझ में आया? इसका मतलब समझ में आ गया ना, आयुष? You're just
Yes,
reading out
ma'am.
from somewhere and telling हमको लग रहा है. You're just reading out. But आपको समझ के करना है. So what is it? Yes, she is right. That what happens by transpiration and by evaporation, the water from the surface of the land or from the plants gets converted into its vapor states. Vapor being lighter, it rises up. As it rises up, it gets cooled, and it get condensed back into water droplets, and these water droplets floats in the air, and as a result of accumulation of more and more water droplets, clouds are formed. Okay, done? Clear to all of you? Next, label the diagram. So labeling part one by one. Aradhna, what is the number one? First one, what is the process? One यहाँ पे label किया है? Aradhna, okay,
Yes,
ठीक.
ma'am.
First labeling. Last question में one जहाँ पे लिखा है. What is that process? Where one is written?
Ma'am, evaporation.
Evaporation. Very good. Yes, Shivam. Shivam.
Yes, ma'am.
4.
Ma'am?
4. जहाँ पे 4 लिखा है. You can see the question paper that I have sent, the worksheet.
Yes, ma'am.
And there
can I?
4 is written.
Ma'am, precipitation.
Precipitation. 2. Where 2 is written, it will be given by Harshita. Harshita is there. Harshita. Yes, Reyash. Bolo.
Ma'am, it's transpiration.
Transpiration. Third one, Saksham. What is the process?
Ma'am, condensation.
Yes, what is it? It is condensation. Yes.
Condensation.
And fifth one, Ankita. Fifth one.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the fifth process.
Hmm.
Ma'am, groundwater. Ma'am,
Groundwater table is
infiltration.
given. It is the surface runoff. Everyone can write it down. Surface runoff. So that is the precipitation, the water that is coming on the falling on the surface of the land. It is flowing away on the surface and it is called surface runoff. Am I clear?
Surface runoff. And ma'am, it could also be infiltration actually. Ma'am, the water is.
Infiltration also you can say that from the surface it is going to the
That's what
groundwater.
groundwater
Yes,
is.
you can say infiltration. Fifth one, infiltration. Better will be infiltration. Okay, because it has been shown that ground it is getting added up to the groundwater. Okay, done.
Yes, ma'am.
All of
Yes,
you.
ma'am.
Ma'am, we have to write.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, can you
What?
ma'am, can I do a oral revision?
Orally कर रहे हैं बस. No one has to write anything. You will just see those questions which are just off the track. You haven't done those questions. You are going to write. Otherwise, I have sent something more. I'm sending you all the revisions from all the sections. You can see. Just I'm sending one more.
Yes.
Define
Ma'am, that was from 6C. Now this one is from.
this 6B. Okay. Name different joints of our body. Those who haven't answered, they will answer. Aryan Rajput. Name different joints of our body. Only name it. Aryan, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Bolo.
Ma'am, ball and socket joint, pivot joint, hinge joint, fixed joint, saddle joint.
Okay, now tell me the location of each and every joint. Ayushman, name the joint and give where they are located.
Ma'am, which joint?
Any joint. Ball and socket joint, where they are present. Tell me, Ayushman. Ball and socket joint.
Ma'am, shoulder and hip bone.
Shoulder and the hip
Hip
bone.
bone.
That is shoulder joint and the hip joint. Okay. Now, Shivam, tell me location of pivot joint.
Ma'am, pivot joint.
Pivot joint.
Ma'am,
Just wait. Shivam.
ma'am, we have to write all these revisions.
No, I'm doing a oral drill, okay? So that as many as revisions we can do today.
Ma'am, I have started writing
कोई
these.
problem नहीं है. Very good. If you have started writing, you can write. But don't repeat the questions that already we have done. You can write the questions that already we haven't done. Okay? Those questions we haven't done.
Ma'am, I am only doing of chapter 14.
Yes, Agam.
Pivot joint
Ma'am,
is
in our
present
head.
in our head, ma'am.
No, not in our head. Yes,
Ma'am,
Datta.
Ma'am, it's present in our neck.
Ma'am, in our neck.
Yes,
Ma'am, in
at the junction between our lower part of our head and the vertebrae. Okay, that is the vertebral column. That is the junction. So it is present in our neck. Okay, the neck joint. Okay.
ma'am,
Yes, Aryan.
ma'am, in our skull there are fixed joints.
Most of the joints in our skull is fixed except Aditya Yadav. Aditya Yadav. Which bone or is movable in our face, in our skull? Aditya.
Mummy, language in the English of them.
Aditya, am I audible?
Yes,
Which
ma'am, jaw.
which bone in our skull is movable? Which can move? The joint that the bone is attached is a movable joint. Yes, Ayushman.
Ma'am, lower jaw.
Lower jaw. And I told you the name of the
Ma'am,
bone.
can I
What is it?
tell the name of that bone?
Yes, Agam.
Ma'am, the name of that bone, that lower jaw is mandible.
Is
Mandible.
mandible. Very good.
Yes,
Next
ma'am.
question. What is the longest bone in our body? Harshita.
Ma'am, may I?
Longest bone. Longest bone. Harshita. Longest bone in our body. Harshita. Harshita is there or not?
Can
Shaksham.
I?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, Kanupriya.
Ma'am, the longest bone in our body is femur.
Is bone on your body is femur. The longest bone in a hand, you know, and a hand is called femur is the longest bone of our body, but in our hand, that is the upper arm. What is the longest bone? Yes, Dipta.
Ma'am, humerus.
Yes, Devanshi.
Humerus.
Ma'am, humerus.
Yes, both of you are right. Yes, it is humerus. Okay. Okay. Next, give the function of skeletal system. Skeleton or the skeletal system. Both are the same. What are the functions? Anshika. Anshika Singh. Anshika. Anshika, am I audible? Ayush Pade. Ayush. Many children are raising an hand and some are. Put on your videos, everyone, children. Put on your videos.
I think I am having some network issue. I have opened my video.
Okay, Aradhana, I'm not able, and I can see Ayush, Agamjo, Dipta, sometimes Ankita, and Shreyash, yes. Aditya. Aditya, बताओ. What have I asked? Aditya, are you studying? पढ़ाई कर रहे हो कि नहीं? कि क्लास की तरह वैसे ही बिना पढ़ाई के ये बैठे हो घर में, है ना? कल से एग्जाम है. मैथ्स सबने प्रैक्टिस किया है?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.